In the windswept plains of Chifeng, Inner Mongolia, a revolution in clean energy has just begun. A Shanghai-based company, Envision Energy, has launched the world's largest and most advanced green hydrogen and ammonia production plant, and it's not just big, it's historic. For the first time in history, we are witnessing green ammonia being produced at industrial scale, entirely off-grid and powered by renewable energy sources alone. This isn't a concept or a pilot. This facility is fully operational as of July 2025, producing 320,000 tons of green ammonia every year, with plans to scale up to a jaw-dropping 1.5 million tons annually by 2028. At the heart of the plant lies a powerful combination of wind and solar energy, feeding massive electrolyzers that split water into hydrogen. That hydrogen is then combined with nitrogen from the air through the Haber-Bosch process to create ammonia. But here is the catch: the entire process is carbon-free, no fossil fuels, no emissions, just pure innovation. What truly sets this facility apart is its artificial intelligence backbone. This is the world's first fully AI-enabled hydrogen ammonia plant, meaning that every fluctuation in wind or solar power is managed in real time. Electrolyzers ramp up or down based on energy availability, energy storage kicks in when needed, and production remains stable even when nature isn't. And speaking of energy storage, Envision has introduced a world-first innovation. Surplus green power is converted into liquid nitrogen through a dynamic air separation unit. This isn't just high-tech, it's a game changer. The plant uses this liquid nitrogen to balance loads and stabilize production, unlocking flexibility that was once thought impossible in renewables-based industrial manufacturing. But that's not all. This plant is completely off-grid. It doesn't rely on the national power grid at all. It's powered solely by a dedicated hybrid renewable system, complete with wind, solar batteries, and intelligent controls. This autonomy not only makes it cleaner, it makes it replicable. Yes, the design is modular and scalable. Envision's blueprint can now be deployed across deserts in Africa, coastlines in Australia, or plains in the Middle East. Anywhere the sun shines and the wind blows, this model can work. Envision has already signed a historic offtake agreement with Japan's Marubeni Corporation, making green ammonia not just a climate solution, but a viable global commodity. With use cases ranging from fertilizers to shipping fuel and hydrogen transport, green ammonia could soon power global trade, food systems, and industrial heat, all without carbon emissions. To appreciate the significance of this project, we need to remember where the industry stood just a few years ago. Hydrogen production was dominated by fossil fuels, a dirty, energy-intensive process. Pilot-scale green hydrogen projects were small, expensive, and slow to scale. Many failed to solve the challenge of renewable intermittency, but Envision has overcome all of it through AI, liquid nitrogen storage, and complete off-grid renewable integration. This plant is a first of its kind, delivering consistent industrial-scale output, setting new standards for clean manufacturing, and positioning China as a leader in the emerging hydrogen economy. And the applications are massive. Fertilizer production alone accounts for nearly 2% of global CO2 emissions, and this green ammonia can wipe that out. Shipping giants are exploring ammonia as the fuel of the future. Hydrogen transport is more efficient through ammonia carriers, and even power plants can co-fire ammonia to reduce emissions without overhauling infrastructure. In a world desperate to decarbonize, this project isn't just impressive, it's essential. It's not just a plant, it's a blueprint for clean industrialization. If you found this story as inspiring and innovative as we did, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a breakthrough in technology and sustainability.